Book 19.5, Tesla's Thermal Arbitrage, US 1266809 5B2.
Electric vehicles face a fundamental paradox: they are too efficient. Unlike gasoline engines that release waste heat to warm passengers, an electric powertrain converts almost all energy into motion. Historically, EVs used range-devouring resistance heaters. Tesla's patent, US 1266889 published June 30, 2026, replaces this with a thermodynamic arbitrage system that treats thermal energy like a volatile financial market, scavenging, storing, and shifting heat exactly where it is worth the most. In gas vehicles, combustion engines provide a constant thermal dividend. Since EV motors produce negligible waste heat, early models used high-voltage resistance heaters, draining battery reserves and reducing range. Conventional heat pumps broker ambient warmth, but they fail in sub-zero blizzards. When temperatures plunge below -10 degrees Celsius, the outside thermal market freezes, leaving the vehicle bankrupt of energy. Tesla's solution was to completely rewrite the vehicle's internal thermal economics. Tesla's unified thermal management system acts as a centralized exchange. It connects the heat pump directly to the battery and drivetrain coolant loops. Rather than treating the cabin, battery, and motors as isolated silos, this architecture dynamically shares thermal energy. The system scavenges low-grade heat from the traction motor and transmission, using the compressor to upgrade that thermal asset into a high-yield return of warm air for the cabin, or isolates the loops to tap the battery's stored heat. The system is governed by a feed-forward predictive optimal control scheme. Functioning like an algorithmic trading bot, it anticipates future conditions using the cabin comfort, range, battery performance, trip timing, and heat pump state software modules. Comfort and battery propulsion heating are treated as firm demands. For short trips, the system sacrifices battery efficiency for rapid cabin warmth. For long trips, it restricts cabin heat to optimize battery performance and protect range. To execute these thermal trades, Tesla developed an 8-way valve that acts as a centralized clearinghouse. VerPact has 2 independent 4-way valves in a single component. It allows battery and drivetrain coolant loops to run in parallel, in series, or in blended states. Additionally, a super manifold integration block consolidates pumps, valves, and chillers into a single physical block. This reduces physical packaging, eliminates routing complexity, and minimizes heat loss during fluid routing. Tesla leverages the massive weight of the battery pack as an artificial thermal vault, providing 85 watt-hours of thermal storage capacity per degree Celsius. The system tops up the battery's temperature when plugged in or actively driving. During extreme cold, the heat pump draws down this stored thermal capital to heat the cabin. When the car is parked, the system even recovers high-temperature thermal energy from the cabin, transferring it back to the battery vault instead of letting it escape. When the ambient air and battery are too cold to provide thermal energy, the system intentionally drives the AC compressor and cabin blower in a high-loss, inefficient mode to generate heat. In extreme scenarios, the compressor motor and inverter act as a literal refrigerant boiler. And by overflowing the accumulator, a flood of liquid refrigerant washes over the hot motor and inverter. The immense heat boils this refrigerant into vapor right before it enters the scroll inlet, circumventing the need for a resistive heater. To lock in these thermal gains, the vehicle uses a smart internal HVAC case recirculation duct. Instead of drawing in freezing outside air and spending energy to heat it, the system routes warm exhaust air from the cabin condenser directly back into the cabin blower. This closed thermal loop functions like a compounding interest account, raising interior temperatures rapidly. The controller maintains a precise balance of fresh and recirculated air to ensure safety while preventing window fogging. To defog the windshield without drawing in freezing outside air, The system partially freezes the evaporator core, trapping interior moisture. And for dehumidification without cooling the passengers, the air undergoes a thermal wash trade. It is first routed through the evaporator to chill it and strip away moisture, and then immediately pushed through the cabin condenser to be reheated. This defogging and reheating loop ensures visibility without exhausting battery energy. During summer or high-load conditions, the system can invert to liquidate massive thermal surpluses. When supercharging at ambient temperatures up to 43 degrees Celsius, standard radiators lack the bandwidth to cool the battery. If the cabin is empty, the system dumps excess battery heat directly into the passenger cabin, using the blower to flush the hot air out. Under tracked driving conditions, the system temporarily borrows cooling capacity from the cabin to prevent the high-stress motors from overheating. And by mastering thermodynamic arbitrage, Tesla eliminates the high-voltage cabin heater, reducing weight, cost, and complexity across its global fleet. The heat pump delivers 1.5 to 5 times the heating power of resistive heaters per unit of electricity. In freezing weather, it prevents the typical 20% to 30% range loss. This thermal architecture is critical for next-gen platforms, enabling compact packaging in the Cybercab and preventing overheating under high stress hauling in the Tesla Semi.